Hi, this is Patrick Corder with MarineMax Stuart. Today we'll be on one of my brokerage listings, a 2007 40 Sundancer by Sea Ray Boats. The boat's name, Dom's Dream. It's a beautifully kept boat with about 990 hours with twin Cummins diesels inside. Just freshly serviced all the coolers. You'll notice isinglass enclosure package, so this can be all enclosed from the weather on a day like today where it's about to rain. As we move inside, we'll have fridge located here, storage underneath the seats, underneath the co-captain's chair up here. We're going to have an AC, so you'll have AC at the helm. Recently updated electronics, so we have a 12-inch Garmin with a Mercury vessel view that will tell you all the engine data from Cummins, and another Garmin that you can use for the radar. As we move towards the cabin, I know you guys can't smell, but it smells like a brand new boat down here. So as you make your way here in the cabin, which is the best feature of the boat, we'll have microwave, storage, beautiful Corian countertop, electric stovetop, fridge and freezer, sink, more storage, a DVD player for the pop-down TV, as well as a lounging couch here with storage compartments. Right behind me you have the head, a unique feature to the 40 and 38 Dancers for this time is a separate head and shower on the opposing side. So in here you'll have the shower. And then behind me, and I'll get out of the way here, is the master stateroom. Another lovely feature is this mid-cabin back here. With a privacy curtain and the ability to turn this into a bed, you have plenty of room, and you can separate your kids from your master cabin, or if you want to bring guests and stuff, they have their own privacy back here. So on the beautiful bow of this boat, we have a lounging area with cushions stored down below, as well as a remote spotlight, foot pedestal switches for the windlass, and a windlass up here on the bow. If you guys have any questions or would like to see this boat in person, you can give me a call on my cell, 561-847-6675. Thank you.